Hello. All right, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to create Google form for your business. All right, so just go to Google Chrome and search for Google Forms like I have already. Come here to Google Forms. It's a fast and simple process. Go to Google Forms here, and you can see here beneath here I already have the forms I have created before, so no Google form is a waste. You can always easily access it. So I'm going to come here to blank to pick a Google form. Now this is the one they've given you, the template they're giving you. What they want you to do now is to edit and create yours yourself. So I could just be like Adire bag free tutorial. Then come here to just put a description if you want. A free class and how so when you are done with that, the question, this one now, all right, you can see here multiple choice. Come here to this drop down arrow because I just want short answers. All right, so I'm just going to put in here name. If you want something longer than this, you can click on, let's say you're asking them a quiz or a question that you need them to explain themselves properly, you could click on on paragraph. So you can now choose if you want if you want to add any image here. Come here, add your image. Then I'm going to turn this on. Now as you can see, I did not start this with email address because at the end of this form creation something is going to pop up and I'm going to click collect email address. So automatically email address will be added to it. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this now, put phone number. So whatever thing you want to do, whatever the form purpose is for, there are a lot of things to do here. Anything you want to do, even all those ones that you see date of birth, come here to put dates. Time, come here to put time. There's a lot of things to do, check boxes. You can use this form for even to do a poll stuff and all of that. So that's that for here. I want to customize this form now. Come here to customize them. Now to choose a header image, I could come here to choose an image. I could come here to upload if I have anything on my phone that I want to use, but make sure that they're in this dimension. Okay, so let's say I want to pick something like this and insert. This is the header now. So you can choose from any of these themes what you want it to be, whatever thing you want it to be. I think I prefer this cool one. Then you could come here to pick your background. Background is for this place here. All right, come here to change your fonts, whatever font you want. I could make it my playful. Then I'm going to just go down everything. Remember, make sure this button is turned on required so that they won't skip it. It's important. Make it available for all your questions. So when I'm done here now, I'm going to just click on send. Now you can now see this pops up, collect email address. Okay, click on that, and I'm going to, because I need the form link, I always like to have my forms link. I'm just going to click on send, and it sends. So now I want to show you something because I don't want this to be too long. So let me just use this form I created some time ago to show you how to do the whole Google spreadsheet thing. Now I'm going to come here to response. Okay, come here to response, and you see this button over here. This is spreadsheet. Now I'm going to see all collected data here. I'm going to click select existing spreadsheet. Click on select. All collected data is going to be here. Now all of this, you can see all of this now is from my other forms I have collected. So let me just click on create, and it's taking me to spreadsheet now. Now these are the data collected from that form. You can see here, you can see the timestamp, you can see the email address, you can see the name, the WhatsApp enabled number, and all the whole responses from that form. It's going to display here. Okay, so when you are done with that, you now know that okay, you have a formal arrangement of data. It's not just jaga jaga. So that's all about Google Forms. And thank you. There are so many things to do. You can even check how people are responding. See, okay, if someone is yet to complete the form, you could just send email reminder. All right, so that's all for Google Forms. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.